I didn't even have any goals. So that's where I get with tenacity. I wanted to learn tennis. I didn't really know about the tutoring part and all that, and I kind of needed help with my homework. When I got involved with tenacity, like everything just changed for me. I got help for things that I didn't understand. I like the tutors. You can talk to them about things. It's like a one-on-one conversation with a friend. This year, there's a tutor named Janina. I'm learning Japanese, and she's learning Chinese. And we be writing kanji together. That's like the characters and everything, and we just be talking about it. Tennis is really fun because when I play it, I get all my stress out, whatever. It's something that I like to do. The tennis instructor at my site, I made such an improvement. He said I run quicker and everything. And he says, I think that you should have a job and be a tennis assistant. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can really do something like this. I didn't know. I love science, so I want to be an environmentalist or an engineer. You see around global warming, think about it. Like, really want to help my community because it's not looking so good. Tenacity and light in my life, I became to have goals. I became to have good friends. And then after that's when my goals become precious to me. There's a big goal. I want to visit Japan. It was something that I didn't know I can do. Something that brought me a push was tenacity.